If having clean water is important to you, then making sure you buy one of the best refrigerator water filters on the market is a crucial first step. Having a water filtration system in your refrigerator is one of the most convenient and simple methods of making sure you and your family have a constant, safe, and clean source of water. Refrigerator filters are not a universal fit, and while they all do essentially the same job, they all do it slightly better or worse than their competitors. Before deciding on the best refrigerator water filter for you and your family, you first need to determine your household's needs and your current fridge and water filter model. But after that, it's pretty simple. In this article, I am going to cover 8 of the best refrigerator water filters on the market and explain who each one is for, so you can make a quick decision. There are many options for accessible water filter for refrigerators, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I guided a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top cheap water filter for refrigerators from faithful manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following expansive investigation, I invented that these products are quite favorable for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, make sure to check my description. So without any more delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best Whirlpool Ice and Water Refrigerator Filter. When all factors were considered, the EveryDrop by Whirlpool is the overall best refrigerator water filter on our list today. This should not come as a surprise when you consider the fact that Whirlpool has been in business for 110 years. That's an anniversary date only the best companies achieve, and that same quality that has kept them in business for all these years is evident in this water filter. Widely approved. Even though this product is manufactured by Whirlpool, they aren't selfish in their design, because this particular filter is approved to be used in Whirlpool, Maytag, KitchenAid, Amana, and Jenn-Air products, making it one of the most versatile choices out there today. Option number 4 and number 7 are more compatible due to their inline design, but they are more difficult to install than the EveryDrop model. Number 2. Best Frigidaire PTWFU01 Water Filtration Filter. This new refrigerator water filter manufactured by FFROI is the best value on the market today, which is why it has this spot on our list. Available in a 2 and 3 pack at an unbeatable price, you truly can't go wrong with this option. You get what you pay for. This is true with most things and even refrigerator water filters for the most part, but that just isn't the case with these. You get more than what you pay for. Each filter is guaranteed to block out most microscopic contaminants, with its triple-layer filtering setup, making your water taste better and cleaner. Filtering potential is pretty standard, with this filter being equal to number 3 at 6 months or 300 gallons. This is a good replacement time and is generally no shorter than that of the big-name brands. It is important to remember though that filter life varies and can be longer or shorter than the average listed based on the level of pollutants in your local water supply. Number 3. Best Samsung Genuine Filters for Refrigerator. Massive Korean tech company Samsung has got its hands in just about any industry involving electronics and computing power. It was no surprise that Samsung decided to get into the appliance industry, but they quickly became one of the top dogs in an industry originally seeming disconnected from what they were known to do at the time. With their own line of home appliances come to their own line of brand name OEM appliance parts, like this refrigerator water filter. Best for bigger fridges made with side-by-side and French door refrigerators in mind. This is the perfect refrigerator water filter for French door and bottom freezer style fridges. With a 2-step installation process, this is one of the simplest filters to install yourself. On a Samsung refrigerator, the placement of the filter is going to be clearly labeled in between the drawers towards the bottom of the fridge. Number 4. Best Inline Filter for Refrigerator. My best inline selection is the Membrane Solution Supply Line Water Filter. Affordable, effective, and universal. You truly can't go wrong with this option. It comes in a 2-pack with a filtering capacity of 1800 to 2000 gallons, longer lasting than any click-in filter on the list. Universal and Linneby. Going with an inline refrigerator water filter, you don't have to stress about whether or not the filter you bought is going to fit your fridge. This is because the filter is installed on the water supply line instead of inside the fridge, meaning the water is filtered before it even enters your fridge. Another inline filtering solution is number 7, which is the longest lasting option on the list. When dealing with inline filters, the installation can get a little tricky, so if you're not comfortable installing your new inline water filter by yourself, you should call a professional or somebody you trust to install it. Number 5. Best Frigidaire WF3 CPP URESOURCE3 Refrigerator Filter. The Pure Source filter by Frigidaire is the easiest filter to install on our list today. By remembering one word, that being push, you will never forget how to remove or install this filter. Designed with simplicity in mind, to both release the old and install the new filter, all you have to do is push on the exposed portion. Being awarded 3 different certifications from the NSF, makes this filter one of the most thorough filtering devices on the list by far. Especially when compared to number 4 and number 2, which just have basic NSF 42 certifications. NSF 42 refers to the overall appearance and taste of the water. The filter improves the look and taste of the sample, then it is awarded this certification. NSF 53 and NSF 401 are awarded when the filter has proven that it has the capability to filter out additional emerging chemicals that may be found in a water supply. Frigidaire's Pure Source filter has been proven to filter out the taste of chlorine and additional potentially harmful chemicals like lead, mercury, pesticides, insecticides, BPAs, asbestos, and pharmaceuticals. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.